So after frying the fish and adding the marinade sauce, we're about to grill it. Wow, top chef secret. Man, the smoke. It is what it is. Wow. Ingredients. Now we have to pay this side. Wow. So this is the yassa, and this is how the sauce is being displayed on top, like that. And then it goes to the rice and the fish. Man, it's so delicious. It has all the flavors and everything. As a true son of Africa, I believe our African indigenous local food is the most delicious and healthiest food in the world because of the organic natural ingredients we use to prepare them. For that reason, I'm on a mission to showcase our local food to us Africans and to the world, because about time our food gets known. So now I'm in Senegal, in a place called Sali, Mobo, and to discover some of the local food they have over here, because most of our African local food looks the same, but the way of preparation is different. I have already posted 2 incredible food from Senegal. One is called Domoda and the other one is called Soupe Kandia. So the Soupe Kandia is like okra soup, and the Domoda is an unseen delicious local food from Senegal. So if you've not seen these beautiful videos, please check out in the description box. So today's recipe is called Yassa, a unique stew or sauce from Senegal. It's also called onion stew, because a lot of onion was used to prepare this sauce. It is a must-try recipe, and trust me, you really love it. And when this sauce or stew is ready, it serves rice in Senegal. But I believe my Ghanaian people will try this with yam and some benku. Yeah, so before I forget, I'd like to say a big shout out to my Senegal people for patronizing their local rice. Man, Senegal love their local rice, the broken rice. They eat that a lot. Big ups to yourself, Senegal people. My name now, Rokodo. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Please share the video and also like and follow the page, because this is the only way you can showcase our food and also support the page. Rokodo, let's do this. Hello, brothers, sisters. Ça va très bien? Merci. We're in the market and about to buy the ingredients and everything. You know, it is what it is. Rokodo. Say hi, Kumba. We have this fish over here. And you're bargaining. I got this for 5,000 seafood. So being in Senegal and seeing the way of living just like my country Ghana makes me feel at home. But the one big question that keeps on coming to my head and makes me ask myself, why can't Africa unite and do greater things for its people? Man, just look at the marketplace. It's the same thing in every African country. This will tell you that we are one people. The discrimination should stop and come back together as one people. Before the European came to Africa to demarcate, to change our language, and also to divide us. And one thing I keep saying, that as an African, it should be open-minded enough to try every African food, because it's the same ingredient on the continent. It is an ingredient that you know, so you shouldn't be scared or think otherwise. And last but not the least, always remember that no matter what you do, no matter where you are, no matter where you find yourself, you're still an African. Yeah, so we are creating a new space to set fire. So this was the neutral ground, and I'll just dig a hole. Ashes was added to it, and some particles of the wood has been placed on top. About set a new hole. So this is the old setup. You see, this is a kind of temporary stuff, so you can dismantle it any time of the day. Arkodo. Arkodo. So Arkodo is now global. Yeah, it's going international. This one recipe, Yassa. And this is the amount of onion that I'll be using for Yassa. Okay. Over your sauce, spring onion, garlic, pepper. Okay, so to start the Yassa, we have our pot on fire, and we add in the onion, the oil. So this is black pepper, the black pepper with chili pepper. This is the fish, this is the sieve. So all the water will pass through the holes and go down. We blend or we pound this together, so garlic, pepper, black pepper, everything together, dry one. So the garlic that's fresh. Yeah. And one thing I've seen over here too, that they don't add much of their, what do you call it, seasoning to their fish. It's either salt and they pound some vegetables, some greens, and then you set it inside the fish. That's it. No additional stuff. Yeah, so we're about to fry the fish, and the oil at high temperature. You can see the vapor.
So this recipe or this fish is for the Yassa and yeah, avocado. So we are adding the spring onion and pound them together. We have one bell pepper over here. We added to it. Here, they eat a lot of rice over here, and this rice is a broken rice, a local rice from Senegal. So we're using this for the mafe and the Yassa. Yeah, so it should be in one pot and just buy some. So they make sure that they wash it nicely and well. Maggi has been added. And everything is okay, so the rice is being left or kept inside a sieve and it's being steamed. As I've been saying in my other videos, they steam their rice before they cook or they boil it. So a hole is being created in the middle for the vapor to come up and steam the rice first. They say doing this helps the rice to cook early when it's added to the water, and they will cover down to prevent any vapor from escaping with a rope or material, wetting it or absorb or prevent the vapor from escaping. So it goes round like that around the pot, making sure that everything is tight and firm. We need this lime juice, squeezing it. The pounded ingredients with the onion, we mix everything together. We add in vinegar to it. Making sure that we mix everything together, nicely mixed. As I said, the Yassa is kind of onion, what do you call it? Onion sauce. Okay, so you can see the amount of onion that we have over here, a lot, Ankasa. Yeah, and they all been sliced equally, evenly, and our pounded seasoning is being added, and we now mixing everything together. So we add the soya mix on top of it. On top of the mixed onion with the seasoning, which is the garlic, onion, spring onion, pepper, black pepper, everything.
Lemon.
We add our lemon with vinegar. No lemon.
Lemon,
No, yeah. So the lemon that we just squeezed everything out. We are now adding it on top to prepare the Yassa. So this is a Senegal national food, and it's a food that everyone loves it. I believe because of the onion, everybody loves it, and this will also go with rice. As I said, they love to eat rice a lot. The fish is ready, and we take them outside. So it's time to boil the rice. So the rope or the material has been taken off, and it's time to boil the rice. So now we flip it, and the rice will now go inside the boiling water, inside the pot. Man, the smoke. Oh, shit. It is what it is. Wow, started by Yassa. Wow. The onion was mixed with lemon juice and the pounded, what do you call it, ingredient. Now we have to pay inside, and it's being stirred inside the oil, like that. Wow. So we're going to stir fry this. So this is what do you call it? Lemon with vinegar and Maggi. Okay, so being done as seasoning, marinade. Okay, so everything is being added on top of the fish to marinate it after frying the fish. So after frying the fish and adding the marinade sauce, you're about to grill it. Wow. Man, this is top secret over here. Top chef secret. Yeah, so I do see a lot of comments saying that why are they cooking on the floor, why are they cooking on the ground. You have to understand that here is not city, okay? This is a village, a rural area, so there are lots of things that you might never get access to it. And even if there's an access to it, they still think about money, okay? And trust me, these people have been living this kind of life for centuries, years, decades. You see, and I bet you that they're even healthier than those who think that we are taking care of ourselves. These people eat organic, so based on the organic thing that they eat, all these things doesn't matter to them that much. Okay, they focus on the leaves and everything. Yeah, so please, if you watch or if you see a video like this, don't just straightforward by saying that their cooking is unhealthy or the kind of life they're living is not nice. Man, that's the life that they live. Like, you are different from them, and they are different from you. Again, I know we can educate them on certain things, but yes, still. They think about money, like the money expense over here is different from. Hello! Hello! Lagadef? 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 Okay, we have salt to it and we stir it together. Oh! Merci. Miss Piach, I'm sorry, okay? We are suffering, we all sit together. Man, this work is not easy. It's not easy. Big ups to all women in the kitchen. Big ups to all African ladies who who use this kind of setup to cook. Man, big ups to y'all. It is what it is. So, ginger powder. So ginger paste is going mixed with water. This pan was the pan that the onion was inside. Yeah, so we stir fry the onion. I believe until everything is soft. After our on fire, take them off. Okay, so now added a bit of oil to the rice, and right. So this is one of the fish that we roasted. No, we fried, and then we added some seasoning to it, and then we roasted it. So this is how it looks like. Wow, it's a bit wet because of the vinegar and the lemon that was added to it. This is mouth watering. So here, when the food is ready, the whole community benefits because it's mostly a compound house. So when one cooks, the whole neighborhood is supposed to have some. So again, you spread around to allow air to circulate to get cooled quick. So this is the yassa, and this is how the sauce is being displayed on top, like that. So basically the yassa is the onion sauce, and then it goes to the rice and the fish, fried fish. Yeah, it goes like that. So yassa is rice and onion sauce. Man, it's delicious. It has all the flavors and everything. So basically, as I said, all onion, everything is all onion. Yassa from Senegal. Yeah, so that's for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Yassa from Senegal. Man, I hope you can try this food. Very easy recipe to try, and it's a must-try recipe that you love it. Trust me, coming from Cooking with Sindaco, you really love this recipe. Yeah, so let's meet again. For Shazam Maneza, please share the video, very important, and also subscribe to the page, follow and like, and let's meet again on the next video from Senegal. Arokoro.